A long, long time ago, there was a king who took care of a big city. Near that big city, in the forest, there lived two birds. They were brothers. On one side of the forest was a village full of robbers. On the other side was a village full of hermits. One day while the two brothers were learning to fly, a strong wind came and parted them. They fell into the two different villages. The younger bird fell into the robbers' village, near their knives and tools. So he was named Sati-Kampa. The older bird fell into the hermits' village, near their flower plants. So he was named Pupaka. The younger brother grew up in the robbers' village. He only saw bad actions and only heard bad words. The older brother grew up in the hermit's village, where he only saw good actions and only heard good words. One day the king and his men went into the forest to catch a deer. He told his men, "If you see a deer, don't let it go." A deer came out and ran right past the king. His men saw that he could not catch the deer and smiled at him. The king felt bad and shouted out, "I'll catch that deer." He jumped into his chariot and told his driver to go fast. His men could not follow him. The king looked everywhere but he could not find the deer, so started to go back. At noon, he stopped to eat his meal, near a small stream. After eating, the king slept on his chariot. His driver kept a lookout for him while he was sleeping, not knowing they were close to the robbers' village. At the same time, all the robbers had gone out, leaving just the cook and Sati-Kampa in the village. Sati-Kampa was flying around the village, and saw the king. He thought that, if this man dies, I can have his gold and his money. Sati-Kampa flew back and told the cook what he saw. The cook went to find that man with Sati-Kampa. Once the cook saw the man, he knew he was a king. He was afraid and said to the bird, "Are you crazy? He is the king, and the king always has a lot of men. Are you afraid? You never feel afraid when you're drunk. Kill him, and get his gold and his money." Sati-Kampa said to the cook. The king woke up and heard the bird and the cook talking to each other. He did not like what the bird said, so he told his driver to quickly leave this place. Sati-Kampa became angry, as the king started to leave. He shouted, "Where are all the robbers? The king is leaving, don't let him go. Catch him. Kill him." While the little bird was still shouting, the king and his driver has gone.